Hello there friends, I hope that you're doing well. So in this video I'm going to talk about a warning light that appears for Volkswagen cars. This is a Volkswagen Polo from 2003 and it's about the battery light. So when you set up the contact, you just turn the key. Pretty much everything should turn off, except that you see the battery with the red light. What this means is that the battery is almost depleted and you need to replace it. However, when I start the car, even in this case the light should turn off. If you still see it on, it means that the car is not charging the battery while the engine is running, and in that case what you need to do is to go to an electrician, and he can see that fixed. Normally when the car is running, the battery is getting charged, and that's how it goes. However, if you just see the light here, it means that the battery is gone and you need just to get a new battery, so it's easy. Alright, so now you know what you need to do about this dashboard light. It is the same for old kind of Volkswagen cars from the 2000s. As I said, this is a Polo. It works the same for Golf, Passat, Bora, Skoda, Seat, and so on, all the cars made by Volkswagen. So I hope that you found the video useful. If you did, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.